be fun, easy and efficient if it's all under 30 minutes. And that's what happens with my single pot pasta. Let's get to creating it. A slathering hot cast iron gets a squirting of nearly 30 mils of olive oil. And while that gets nice and hot, let's just sear some bacon so that fat gets right into it. Now I'm using bacon as a protein. You can use any protein that you desire or skip it altogether. Now I personally like the bacon soft, but you can go ahead and crisp it up. Into this goes about 8 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to allow it to nicely burnish and brown. And now all we do is add in the vegetables. So about 150 grams of regular mushrooms going in, about 100 grams of some squash cut into dices, and about a cupful of lovely, beautiful small tomatoes or the red cherry tomatoes. Adding in some spice, and that goes in with about a teaspoon of red chili flakes. In goes 2 cups of regular tomato sauce. Just put that in. A quick stir. Literally living up to its name, a single pot. So into this goes 2.5 cups of some boiling hot water. A quick seasoning of some salt. Be careful because the bacon is salty. Some freshly milled black pepper. And not forgetting a slightly overload of some oregano. And as this simmers, it's time to take 250 grams of regular pasta. I'm using Fusilli. You can use any one that takes your fancy and drop that right in. "12 to 14 minutes of allowing this to cook on a simmer, and you can add some more water just to ensure that it's nice and saucy. This creation is ready. All you need to do is garnish it with some cheese, that's the beautiful Parmesan cheese, and an overload of some basil. So I'm just going to roughly tear some basil with my hand and put that right in. A single pot done in exactly 29 minutes flat. A sloppy, perfect single pot creation like none other. This one is a decadent midweek meal in the making. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to subscribe.